Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Is that a sealed section right here?
Yeah, two separate sealed sections at 0.72 apiece. And
Okay.
then, like right out 4 cubes.
Oh, so there's like a chamber right there.
Yep.
Okay.
Nice.
You gonna shut the trunk or keep it open? Okay. I like your little style, goldish kind of a feel to it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yep, I definitely love the gold.
All right.
All started when I painted my ZV5 surrounds gold, and
Really?
the
Okay.
internet lost their minds. Here, you can leave it down.
Info first.
Oh, I got you.
Always
Sorry.
ask.
I got you.
Yep. So your name and what we're clicking, what's in here, man?
My name is Log, or It's the Log on social medias. I have two ZV5 12s with 8-layer D1 recones on a single JP63 wired at 1 ohm in a 4th order. On a bunch of Scar FSX mids in the doors, 2 Down for Sound Mini Maxes, powering them. No DSP, it's all just the settings on the amp itself and the head unit.
Okay, nice. This is kind of a smart idea layout to have the 4th order and then still have the sub port here instead of firing up or sideways. I like it.
Thank you.
Good. And you built this?
Yep.
Nice.
Yep, I built everything.
Okay.
And then of course I have the LF Audio high precision voltmeter.
Okay.
One of the best voltmeters on the market right now, definitely.
And what's the port area and tuning? Do you know?
I think it's like 56 square inches. It should be tuned like right around 43 or so.
Okay. All right. Yeah, man, I would love to hear it. This looks good. Probably got good bandwidth, I bet.
Yeah, not too bad.
And I'm guessing it's louder, of course, seats down.
Yeah, seats down, definitely.
Okay. Pretty impressive to see you fit the cone area and a 4th order and still have some room. So thank you, man.
Yeah, no problem.
I like it.
I can play down at 27, but I don't really like to play too much.
Yeah.
Too low.
Yes, sir.
I had issues ripping some surrounds.
Oh, man. Yes, sir. The spinners.
The spinners.
All right. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it. Awesome.
Sweet.
Appreciate the info.
Yeah. All right, let's give you. might have, I don't know, honestly, like actual playtime, maybe just a few hours.
Whoa.
Awesome. Appreciate the demo. Thank you for showing me the second song. So that was down to 29. That's got good bandwidth. Pretty impressive to see you fit the cone area and a fourth order and still have some room. So thank you, man.
Yeah, no problem.
I like it.
I play down at 27, but I don't really like to play too much.
Yeah.
Too low.
Yes, sir.
I had issues ripping some surrounds.
Oh, man. Yes, sir.